Hey friends, it's Allison, and tonight I picked up this piece today that is replacing one I had here for kind of underneath my TV. It just wasn't big enough. I need more storage. There's not a lot of storage here. But you can see it's got great bones to it, but it does have some missing veneer. But that's the great thing about using the salt wash, and it's textured and it will hide some of those imperfections. So I did a couple of sample boards that I wanted to show you what I'm kind of going for. So that is going to be more, I think, of the body. I'm not sure. I can't decide. Tell me which one you like. The one that looks more patinaed or this one. My top is definitely going to be all dark. That one had some green in it, which I'm not crazy about. I think I'm going with this one for the top. But I've got the top cleaned off and I am ready to mix my paint and my salt wash and get started. So I will come back in a second and just show you that process. I'm going to mix my first layer, which it's called clay. Medium brown. So I poured it. There's no proper measurement. It's just... So I'm going to start with that and I'm going to stir it. So most people go for like a cake batter consistency. You want texture though, so if it's too thin, you're not going to have any texture. Okay, that's looking, I think this is pretty good. I'm going to use this brush. These are from Sea Paints. It's kind of an oval brush and I just love these brushes. I do wish I'd put this in a bowl though versus my cup, because the Sea brush doesn't have a long handle. Then, let me just make sure you guys can see. Yeah. Then what I'm going to do is just start over here and start doing a pouncing method. And I'm just going to cover the top. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do this. So I'm going to come back when it's all done for the next step. So I am done with the top first layer. So as you can see, the white specks, that's just the dry chalk, salt wash. Sorry, I'm tired. Salt wash just sprinkled over it. And then I'm going to spritz it down with a little water just so it kind of melts into the first layer. And it's not just like dry powder sitting on top. So I don't know if I'll do another layer tonight. I'm going to go on and clean the bottom, because it is real important to clean your furniture, especially old pieces like this, before you paint or do any type of finish on them. So stay tuned tomorrow for the rest of the first layer. Bye.